Merriam-Webster's Word of the Day for March 11th. Today's word is archetype, spelled A-R-C-H-E-T-Y-P-E. Archetype is a noun that means someone or something that is seen to be a perfect example. It's also a word for the original pattern or model of which all things of the same type are representations or copies. Here's the word used in a sentence from The Student Life of Pomona College by Yafei Cheng. The contemporary fantasy genre owes its existence to J.R.R. Tolkien's The Lord of the Rings. In it, Tolkien consolidated and popularized the various fantastical archetypes, like elves, dwarves, and the Dark Lord, that have since ingrained themselves into humanity's collective cultural psyche. The word archetype comes from the Greek verb archein, meaning to begin or to rule, and the noun typos, meaning type. Archetype has specific uses in the fields of philosophy and psychology. The ancient Greek philosopher Plato, for example, believed that all things have ideal forms, also known as archetypes, of which real things are merely shadows or copies. And in the psychology of Carl Jung, archetype refers to an inherited idea or mode of thought that is present in the unconscious of the individual. In everyday prose, however, archetype is most commonly used to mean a perfect example of something. With your Word of the Day, I'm Peter Sokolowski.
Visit Merriam-Webster.com today for definitions, wordplay, and trending word lookups.